Best morning drinks for diabetics. Some of the recommended drinks are 1. Smoothies. They are a great way to get some fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and protein in your diet. You can use low-carb fruits like berries, avocado, or cucumber, and add some unsweetened almond milk, yogurt, or protein powder. You can also add some spices like cinnamon, ginger, or turmeric for extra flavor and health benefits. 2. Warm water with lemon. A glass of warm water with a little bit of lemon helps in detoxification and may aid in weight management, which is beneficial for diabetics. 3. Cinnamon tea. Cinnamon is known to improve insulin sensitivity, so brewing cinnamon sticks into tea can help to regulate blood sugar levels. 4. Fenugreek water. Fenugreek seeds are rich in soluble fiber, which can help to control blood sugar. You can soak fenugreek seeds in water overnight and drink the water in the morning. 5. Aloe vera juice. Aloe vera is good for skin, helps with wounds. It also has hypoglycemic effects, so drinking a small amount of aloe vera juice on an empty stomach can help to regulate blood sugar.